This electric scooter feels less like a scooter and more like the future on two wheels. The BowM Scooter brings premium engineering and serious performance into everyday city travel. Its sleek aluminum unibody frame gives it a strong automotive-grade design that instantly stands out on the streets. Powered by a 1200-watt rear motor, it delivers fast acceleration, powerful torque, and smooth hill climbing with confidence. With speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour and a range of nearly 60 kilometers, it's built for long urban commutes without compromise. Advanced stability technology reduces wobble, while smart lighting and modern features create a smooth, controlled, and next-level riding experience for the future of mobility.
What if an electric vehicle could feel just as thrilling as a sports car? The Honda Super One is redefining electric performance, with a driving experience built around excitement, not just efficiency. Designed under Honda's innovative concept platform, this compact EV feels lightweight, agile, and incredibly responsive on city streets. Its powerful boost mode delivers quick acceleration exactly when you need it, while the simulated 7-speed transmission and engine sound system recreate the emotion of a traditional performance car. With a practical driving range for everyday commuting and a sleek digital interior, it perfectly balances fun and functionality. This isn't just another electric vehicle, it's Honda bringing real driving passion into the electric future.
What if surfing and electric technology could merge into one futuristic ride? The Lift Foil Florence Lyft X is transforming hydrofoiling with a system that combines electric power and pure surfing freedom in one seamless experience. Designed as a hybrid foil board, it uses powered assistance to help riders launch, catch waves, and position effortlessly before switching into a smooth, silent glide mode. Its innovative folding propeller automatically retracts when power is released, removing drag and creating a natural surf-like feel on the water. Built with a lightweight carbon fiber structure, it delivers sharp responsiveness and precise control. With impressive ride time and next-level versatility, the Lyft X feels less like a machine and more like flying above the ocean.
What if your next electric ride could fly through water like a supercar of the ocean? The Seabob SE63 transforms electric mobility into an adrenaline-filled underwater adventure. With its futuristic design built from carbon fiber, titanium, and magnesium, it looks as powerful as it performs. Driven by a high-performance 6.3 kilowatt motor, it delivers intense thrust and smooth acceleration, reaching speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour across the water. Whether cruising on the surface or diving beneath the waves, the experience feels fast, controlled, and incredibly immersive. Advanced stabilizing wings provide precise handling, while fast charging and a solid runtime make it practical for extended fun. This is luxury, performance, and aquatic freedom combined into one revolutionary machine.
What if your next electric bike could fold in seconds, weigh almost nothing, and still deliver serious power? A new wave of electric bikes is changing urban travel, and the Carbon Fold 2 stands out with its sleek carbon fiber design and ultra-lightweight build. It's compact enough for small apartments, yet powerful enough to handle daily commuting with ease. The responsive motor delivers smooth acceleration, while the torque sensing system makes every ride feel natural and controlled. With long-range battery options, hydraulic disc brakes, integrated lights, and an 8-speed drivetrain, this e-bike blends performance, portability, and smart engineering into one futuristic ride. This isn't just an e-bike, it's the future of city mobility.
What if an electric bike could give you car-like stability with the freedom of a bicycle? The MoonCool TK2 is built for riders who value comfort, balance, and everyday practicality. Its unique 3-wheel design delivers extra stability, making every ride feel smooth and confidence-inspiring. Unlike traditional trikes, the foldable frame makes storage and transport surprisingly easy. Powered by a 500-watt motor with strong peak output, it provides controlled acceleration perfect for city rides and daily errands. The long-range battery handles extended trips with ease, while the rear differential system improves turning stability and overall control. Add suspension, hydraulic brakes, reverse assist, and spacious baskets, and the TK2 becomes a smart, stress-free solution for modern electric mobility.
What if your electric scooter could handle city streets like a mini powerhouse on wheels? The Hiboy U2 Pro is built for riders who want more than just speed. It's designed for real-world practicality and comfort. Powered by a strong 750-watt motor with impressive peak output, it delivers quick acceleration and enough torque to conquer steep urban roads with ease. Its long-range battery makes daily commuting, errands, and even delivery work feel effortless. The oversized fat tires, rear suspension, and cushioned seat create a smooth and stable ride even on rough streets. Add dual-disc brakes, bright LED lighting, and a durable frame, and the U2 Pro becomes a reliable electric mobility solution built for everyday performance.